Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people think the AI boom was inevitable. That machines were always going to get smarter, faster, better at language. That's wrong. For a long time, AI was stuck. And almost no one noticed the moment it quietly broke free. For decades, machines tried to understand language the way humans read a sentence. One word at a time. Left to right. Slow. Forgetful. They could remember the last few words, but anything far back faded away. Long sentences confused them. Context got lost. Meaning collapsed. This was the ceiling. Everyone believed this was just how language machines had to work. Then something strange happened. A small group of researchers asked a forbidden question. What if machines don't need to read in order at all? What if they could look at everything at once? Not step by step. Not patiently. Instantly. That idea sounded reckless. Even wrong. And yet, it worked. Instead of walking through a sentence like a human, the machine began scanning the entire thing in parallel. Every word watching every other word. Every part connected to every other part. No waiting. No memory bottleneck. Suddenly, distance didn't matter anymore. The first word could understand the last word immediately. That single shift changed everything. This was unexpected for one reason. Speed usually costs intelligence. And intelligence usually costs time. Here, both improved together. The system became faster and smarter at the same time. Training that once took weeks dropped to hours. Accuracy jumped. Understanding deepened. Old models started to look ancient overnight. Here's who benefited. Anyone building AI that deals with language, translation, search, chatbots, assistants, code generation, summaries, recommendations. This is why modern AI can hold context. Why it can explain ideas. Why it doesn't collapse after a long paragraph. This is the foundation under everything you now call AI. And here's who lost. Anything slow. Anything sequential. Anything that depended on step-by-step thinking. Entire research directions became irrelevant. Hardware assumptions broke. Software stacks were rewritten. Careers quietly ended. Not with drama. With silence. The real shift wasn't technical. It was philosophical. For the first time, machines stopped pretending to think like humans. They found a better way. Not by copying our limitations, but by abandoning them. That's why this mattered. Now look forward. Once machines can understand everything at once, they don't just read language differently. They learn differently. They reason differently. They scale differently. Bigger systems don't slow down. They get stronger. More data doesn't overwhelm them. It sharpens them. This is why size started to matter more than clever tricks. This is why intelligence became a scaling problem. Here's the unsettling part. This wasn't designed to create chatbots, or assistants, or creative tools. Those are side effects. The real consequence is power concentration. Whoever controls systems that can process everything instantly controls communication, knowledge, and decision-making at scale. That shift has already happened. Most people are still catching up. And here's the question no one likes asking. If machines no longer need to think step by step, why should they think slowly at all? What happens when thinking itself becomes parallel? That door is open now. And it doesn't close.